Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel's IF formula with the IF formula incorporating the OR function. We'll explore how each operates and when to use them effectively. The basic IF function is perfect for straightforward true/false decisions, while adding or expands its power to handle more complex scenarios. This comparison will help you choose the right tool for your data analysis needs, making your spreadsheets more dynamic and efficient. The basic IF function is a cornerstone of Excel logic, designed for simple conditional checks. It takes three arguments: a logical test, a value to return if the test is true, and a value if false. For example, you might use it to determine if a student passed or failed based on a single score. This function is incredibly versatile for tasks requiring a clear, two-outcome decision based on one criterion. When your decisions depend on multiple possibilities, combining IF with the OR function is incredibly powerful. The OR function evaluates several conditions, returning true if any one of them is met. This means your IF statement can trigger a true outcome if, say, a product is either out of stock or below a certain reorder level. It significantly expands the flexibility of your conditional logic. Deciding between a simple IF and an IF with or depends entirely on your specific needs. If you have just one criterion to evaluate, stick with the straightforward IF function for clarity and efficiency. However, when your logic requires checking 2, 3, or even more alternative conditions, nesting or within IF is the superior choice. Mastering both allows you to build highly responsive and intelligent spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.